Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. Now, we're having a ramen bowl today. Ramen noodle bowl, eh? Oh yes. I've prepared everything. Let me show you what we're going to do. Nice and simple this one should be, and should be delicious. Let me show you. Right, I got myself some mushrooms. I mean, you can put in what you want, can't you, on these ramens, can't you? I got myself some carrots, which I've just battened up really thin, if you get what I mean. I got myself a couple of, well, one red chilli, diced up, bit of green, green and white, spring onion, mixed together. I got these from Aldi. Ramen noodles, that was £1.09p. I got these from Aldi. I think it was £1.49. Chicken broth, Chinese style. I think it's part of that Asian week or whatever it is. Some pak choi, guys. I'm going to have a couple of eggs. Got some brown sugar, bit of hoisin sauce, bit of light soya, some garlic, and with my chicken, I'm going to be having these. I've had these in the freezer for a couple of months, so I'm going to use them up. They only take a few minutes to fry. I've never had them yet, but 6 minutes to fry up. Nice and simple, guys. But you can use what chicken you want, can't you? But I've got to get rid of them anyway. So, first things first, what I want to do is get them fried up. A little bit of oil in my pan for my chickens. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to fry my chickens in there, get them out, get the pak choi, the mushrooms and the carrots in there. Get them out, then we'll put the broth in. And with that one, I should start boiling for the old eggs. And once the eggs are done, we'll get the noodles in there then. These are them, look. They're only thin things, look, sizzlers. I don't really think they're worth the money. I can't remember, I think there's about £3. But they ain't very big, guys, look. But they'll do for this. So we're going to get 2 of them in first, guys, and we're just going to fry them up. And in the meantime, while they're frying, I'm going to prepare my pak choi. I think we'll only need one, because we're sharing. There's only me and Nat having this. So I think we'll probably share the one. Probably won't need 2, will we? Right, let me wash them. Let's check the chicken. Oh yeah, it's looking all right. It's looking all right. It's only a bit of meat in it, that's all it is. To go in the old soup. Chicken is done. We'll get that on a plate. I'll cover it up with some foil. Water's boiling for the eggs, so we will get 2 eggs in. We want a runny egg, don't we, guys? 2. And we want 6 minutes for that. 6-minute timer. Boom. We're going to get just a little more drop of oil in here, guys. Just a little. We want some garlic. About a teaspoon maybe or something like that. Turn that down, it's a bit hot. Want to get the pak choi in. A little bit of soy sauce. To your taste, I suppose. A little bit of hoisin. I do like an hoisin sauce, me. Come on. That'll do us. We're going to get our carrots in and we're going to get our mushrooms in. We will cook them through, guys. I forgot a little bit of brown sugar just to start the caramelisation off on the old pak choi. Just going to put a little drop of water in and put the lid on there. And we'll let that cook away for 5 minutes. We're just coming up to 6 minutes for the eggs. Yeah, 6 minutes done. Right, I haven't got no ice, guys, so I'm going to just put them in a bowl under some cold water. That's all. Just to stop the cook. Now, with the noodles, there they are. You get 4 individual ones. I'm debating how many to have. I think we're going to have a pack each. That's what I'm going to do. So we'll pile them in there, guys. For 5 minutes. Let's have a look at this. Sorry about the water noise, guys, but I've got to cool the eggs down. Oh, yes. Looking nice, that. Let's have a look. Oh yes, a little bit more. With a pak choi. Oh, it's nice and soft though. That's caramelised, that one. Ooh, let's get it out, guys. Do like a bit of pak choi, as I say. And with all that goodness in the bottom there, we will put... Oh, I'm overboiling. Turn that, get off. Take the lid off. With all that goodness in there, guys, what we'll do, we'll put the broth in with all that. And cook it up. Let's get this broth open. Oh, I'm looking forward to this now, to be honest with you. I'm using a whole lot, look at it all. Let's give it all a stir. And we're just going to simmer and boil that away, guys, for a few minutes. The noodles will be done in a second now. And then we'll be ready to dish up once that's all warmed through. Okay, guys, ready to dish up. Get some noodles. One pack would have been enough. Loads of noodles in there. But there's loads of, also loads of chicken stock, isn't there? So we can always have some more. Because these are lovely, ain't they? But I don't fill you up to that much, to be honest with you. A bit of broth. Turn that off now. With some carrots. I'll show you this one. And the other one. Need to get a few more carrots out than that, don't I? You just pile it in, don't you, guys? And just do what you do, don't you? That's all you do. Pak choi on the side. Chicken on the side. Oh, we've got the egg, haven't we? Got to get the egg out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's a bit hard. By the looks of things. I'm usually quite good with soft-boiled eggs and all. Cocked up today, you know. Let's cut it open, guys, and have a moment of truth anyway. Oh, no, that one's all right, look. That ain't bad at all. Oh, yeah. And this one. Oh no, they're all right. Just a little bit at the edge. And there we go. Nice, simple ramen. Right, let's get on the table. I forgot my chilies. For the colour. You don't want chilies, Bab?
No, thank you.
And my greens. Pour some on. And my greens. Just to get a nice colour, guys. There we go. Oh.
So sorry. I'm dropping everything today.
There's Nats.
I apologise.
Nat's not coming on. You'll hear her talking. She's not coming on.
Him drop everything.
So, ramen. Chicken ramen. Chicken ramen noodle. I think it looks alright, don't you, guys?
It smells nice.
To be honest.
It smells delicious.
Have a crack, babe.
Okay.
Don't know if you might need some salt or something in there. I ain't salted anything.
That's nice, you know, I like them noodle things.
Them noodles nice?
Yeah.
They do, I've never heard them before. Sobo, is it?
Soba.
Sobo?
Soba.
S-O-B-O, is it? I've never heard of them noodles. Do them? I didn't know what they was, guys.
I like this, nice.
Yeah. There's loads left up there. Loads.
That's really nice, that is, Bob, thank you. Some nice flavours in that.
There is nice flavours in that, isn't there? Let me try a bit of this chicken. Oh, chicken's alright, it's nothing special. I reckon high protein, ain't it? It's nothing special, is it? I wouldn't really buy that. I'd just buy a chicken breast and just butterfly it. I wouldn't really buy that chicken. Was that a or a
That's delicious.
Is that nice?
Yeah.
Fair play. We ain't had one of
really
these
like
for years, have we?
Maybe you did one last time, but I think this one's a lot better.
I done a Wagamama one, didn't I? I think.
I think
This one's a lot better, isn't it?
I think there was. This one's more tastier.
Egg.
I took my egg out. Sorry.
I only put them in for the content.
Yeah, you know I don't.
Because I know you won't have them. You won't have, Matt won't have an egg. Unless
Cold.
it's boiling hot, will you?
No.
It's got to be scorching hot.
Funny with eggs. I really like this. I'm enjoying this. Nice.
The pak choi. Bit of everything here.
I could have done with something like this
Yeah,
today.
that's what I thought. I thought she would do something like that.
Yeah, it's delicious. I think it's better than the Wagamama one.
I've had that stuff in the cupboard for about 4 days, and I thought I'm just going to do it today. Because I was supposed to start back on my exercises today, but
Definitely again.
that pak choi is nice as well.
I like pak choi. It's nice.
It's all nice, guys. It's all nice. That's what you say is nice. Well, it's nice, isn't it? It's all in the taste.
Well, I can't explain it. I can't explain the flavours properly.
No.
Carrots. You know what I mean?
We ain't no experts, are we?
No, and I don't claim to be.
We just think we like it. We like it.
I'm going to tell you I like it.
Nice. Nice means good to us.
It has some really, really nice flavours. But what each individual flavour is, I don't know because I'm not an expert.
Not an expert.
No. But you've done a good job here, Bob.
I don't know what it didn't take long, guys. It took all about 10 minutes altogether.
Is that all it took?
Yeah, 10, 12, 11 minutes or something. It's just the faffing about. Cooking this, then cooking this, then cooking this. If I wasn't recording, it'd be a lot easier. You're trying to move the camera as you do things. And
I like the snap of the vegetables as well. Got a nice
nice little snap, ain't they?
They're not boiled the heck out of.
It's got some lovely flavour. Oh, I would, guys. I would. I don't know if they've still got up Aldi. I presume they have. They've still got that up Aldi, that chicken broth. Grab yourself some. I think 140 or something like that. Grab yourself some and throw in what you got left in your fridge or your cupboard, can't you? Or you know, all your veggies or whatever. You know what I mean? Just throw it in and add some meat or anything. I'll have a veggie one.
You might have to get some more of this.
I might have to get some more of this. I don't know how long it lasts, that broth. I'm not sure. I suppose it lasts a while, doesn't it, in the cupboard when it hasn't been opened. So all in all, guys.
Delicious. Simple and delicious.
Chicken ramen and pak choi. Bowl of goodness. So, guys, what's on tomorrow? I'm not going live tomorrow.
Nothing on tomorrow.
I don't want to go live Wednesday because I want to see Tony and Judy about that thing when they come back. So I'm not going live tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to go live tomorrow, guys. I'll go live tomorrow. I don't know if it's
yeah, because I've got a dentist Wednesday morning.
Oh, you got a dentist Wednesday as well. Yeah, I'm going live tomorrow. I'll go live tomorrow, guys. There's something I fancy tomorrow. Something really homely. So I might do that on a live stream tomorrow.
Oh yes, homely.
Something I really fancy. Thought about it today. I thought I could just do that. So I ain't telling you. You have to wait and see. So yeah, I'll go live tomorrow, guys. So give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, we'll see you later. Bye bye. And this is delicious. No good cutting my chicken with a spoon, is it?